Hello, good morning, my dear students. Class 4, Subject Social Science. Unit 1, Kingdoms of Rivers. Already in our previous classes, we studied about Cheras and Cholas. Do you remember that? The capital city of Cheras was Vanji. The capital city of Cholas was Urayur. And two famous kings of Cheras were Imayavaramban Nedunjeralathan and Cheran Sengutuvan. And Karigal Perivalathan, who called as Karigala Cholan, was famous king of Cholas, isn't it? And we can know about Cheras from Paditrupathu, and also we can know about Cholas from the book Pattinapalai. Okay dears, do you remember that? Today we are going to learn about Pandyas. Are you ready? Pandyas. Pandyas established their rule on the bank of Vaigai with Madurai as their capital. So, Pandyas kingdom were situated near the Vaigai river and their capital city was Madurai. The ancient Pandya country comprised of Madurai, Theni, Dindigul, Virudhunagar, Tirunelveli, Tuticorin, Sivagangai and Ramanathapuram district. So now present area, our area and our surrounded districts were belong to Pandya's kingdom during ancient period. Okay dears? Madurai remained as the most populous city of Sangam period. During Sangam period, our Madurai was the most popular city. Okay, dears. Pandya country famous for pearls. Yeah, in our introduction part, I told you about pearls, breathtaking. Do you remember that? Pearls means muthu. Muthu kulipanga. The people went to the sea. Went into the sea and brought pearls. So that our Pandya kingdoms was famous for pearls. Muttamil Sangams were held in Madurai under the patronage of Pandyas. So Muttamil Sangams. Do you hear what is meant by Muttamil? El Tamil, Isai Tamil, Nadagat Tamil. So Muttamil Sangams. Muttamil Sangams, dear. Muttamil Sangams were some like an organization which was developing our Tamil language. Okay dears. So the Muttamil Sangams were held in Madurai under the patronage of Pandyas. Patronage means Adaravu. Pandya kings were patronage the Muttamil Sangams. The third Tamil Sangam was held in Madurai. So there were three Tamil Sangams during Sangam age. So the third Tamil Sangam was held in our Madurai. Muttamil flourished during the reign of Pandyas. So Muttamil, our Tamil language, was well developed during our Pandyas period. The most famous kings were Talayalanganathu Serivendra Pandya Nedunjeliyan and Pandya Nedunjeliyan of Silappatikaram. There were two famous kings and they both have same name, Pandya Nedunjeliyan. One of them Talayalanganathu Serivendra Pandya Nedunjeliyan and another one Pandya Nedunjeliyan. That's all. Okay dear. That Pandya Nedunjeliyan king who appears in Silappatikaram and the one more Talayalanganathu Serivendra Pandya Nedunjeliyan. Okay dear. Clear? Silappatikaram. Sorry dear. When Pandya Nedunjeliyan was a young boy, he fought a battle at Talayalanganam against Cheras, Cholas and feudal lords, which means Kurunila Mannargal. So Pandya Nedunjeliyan, during Pandya Nedunjeliyan was a young boy, he fought. Fought means fight. Okay dear. He fought a battle. Battle means war. At Talayalanganam. Talayalanganam is a place name. So in Talayalanganam, Pandya Nedunjeliyan fought a battle against Cheras, Cholas and feudal lords. Okay dear. So he defeated the combined force. But Though he was a young boy, he defeated the combined force. Therefore, he got the title Thalayalanganathu Servendra Pandian Neduncheliyan. So, the Pandian Neduncheliyan called as Thalayalanganathu Servendra Pandian Neduncheliyan. Got it? Next, Silappatikaram. During the rule of Pandian Neduncheliyan, he happened to prosecute Kovalan for theft and gave death sentence. Yeah, dear, during the rule of Pandian Neduncheliyan, second Pandian Neduncheliyan. Okay, dear. During the rule of Pandian Neduncheliyan, he happened to prosecute Kovalan for theft and gave death sentence. During his Pandian Neduncheliyan period, one theft case. Okay, dear, one theft case came to his king court. That time, the king mistakenly give a punishment. What punishment? Death sentence. Death sentence means மரண தண்டனை. ஓகே டியர், கோவலனுக்கு வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவார், த கிங் வந்து தப்பாக வந்து மரண தண்டனை கொடுத்துருவார். கோவலன்ஸ் ஒய்ஃப் கண்ணகி அட்வொகேட்டட் டு ப்ரூவ் ஹர் ஹஸ்பண்ட்ஸ் இன்னசென்ஸ். ஸோ கண்ணகி வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, அட்வொகேட்டட் மீன்ஸ் வாதாடுறது. Do you know advocated வாதாடுறது? In court the lawyers do that. வாதாடுறது. So Kovalan's wife Kannagi advocated for Kovalan. When the king realized the truth, he said, Yano Arasan, Yane Kalvan, Kedigavan Ayul, and died by falling down from his throne. So that time the king realized the truth. Which truth? Kovalan didn't thief and didn't steal anything. Okay, so the king realized the truth and he said, Yano Arasan, Yane Kalvan. It means I am not a king, I am a thief, I am only thief. Kedigavan oil, so I want to die, and died by falling down from his throne. என்ன பண்ணுவார், அவரோட கீழே அவரோட இதுலேருந்து அரியாசனத்துலேருந்து கீழே விழுந்து he died. Immediately his wife Koperum Devi also sacrificed her life out of shock. So immediately his wife Koperum Devi, Pandian Neduncheliyan's wife Koperum Devi also died. Okay dear, because of shock. The administrative system of the Pandyas was depicted by Mangudi Mardanar of Madurai Kanji. Yes. Like Pattinapalai Paditrupattu or Madurai Kanji also one Sanganul. Okay dear. So it was written by Mangudi Mardanar, and from Madurai Kanji we can know about Pandyas and the administrative systems and the lifestyle. Okay dears, got it? Mangudi Mardanar wrote Madurai Kanji. From Madurai Kanji we can know about Pandyas. Okay, Pandyas. Pandyas kingdom was situated near river Vaigai, and their port is Korkai. Okay dear, port. What is meant by port? Thuraimugam, Korkai. And capital Madurai. Flag fish. Okay. Okay, what is the flag of Cheras? Bow and arrow. And what is the flag of Cholas? Tiger. So fish was the flag of Pandyas. Okay dears, got it? Then try to answer part. Which Pandya Mannan was mentioned in Silappatikaram? Which Pandya Mannan? You only going to write the answer in your notebook. Who wrote Madurai Kanji? And the last one, what is inscribed on the flag of Pandyas? Okay dears. So these 3 questions you should copy in your notebook. Okay guys, already I hope you copied 4 questions in your notebook. Adding this, there are 7 questions should be in your note. Okay dears. Next, yeah, you have an exercise. Before that, let us know. In ancient Madurai there existed daytime shops called Nalangadi and nighttime shops called Allangadi. Yeah dear, in ancient Madurai during Sangam age there were 2 types of shops. Okay dear, night times also in our Madurai, in our ancient Madurai we had shops during night time. Okay va, During night time, that shops were called as Allangadi. Nighttime shops were called Allangadi. Daytime shops were called Nalangadi. Okay, dears. Nighttime shops Allangadi. Daytime shops Nalangadi. And you have an exercise activities. Two activities were there. Activity 1, ancient Tamil kingdoms, Moovendargal. Do you know who were Moovendargal? Cheras, Cholas, Pandyas. So you have a fill in the blanks in first column. In the left side, first columns, kingdoms were given there. Cheras, Cholas, Pandyas. So capital, next column, capital. So capital means you should write already Vanji was written there. Vanji was capital of Cheras, and you have a blank for Cholas. So you should write the capital of Cholas in the dash. Okay, dear. So then next Pandya's capital Madurai was given there. Like that you should write ports, symbols, and also famous kings. Okay, dear. Can you do that? I hope you can do that. Next, activity 2. List out the territories of the Moovendargal in the present districts of Tamil Nadu. Yeah, already I told you, our area, our Madurai and our surrounded districts belongs to Pandya's kingdom. So like that you should first write Cheras kingdom, Cholas and also Pandyas. Cheras means I think Coimbatore, Erode, like that some districts were there, and Cholas, Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur and some districts. Pandyas, Madurai, Ramanathapuram, like that. So you should complete these two exercises in your book. Okay, dears? Thank you.